Okay, good morning. We're in, what's the name of this place? Mercado Beach. Morado Beach. Let's take you one more walk through. Yeah,
it's cotton beauty.
No, it is so stinky.
It smells so stinky.
Yeah, it was really hot here. We got a little cabin close to the water, and man, that place was hot. I woke up sweating. Nice litter box. So as you can see, our ecological fee that we paid yesterday, we paid an ecological fee. Hey, there's some weights. It's a good way to make them, actually. You can see that money's being put into good use here. Let's see what's going on over here. Hey, Lauren. Oh, the koi pond.
A what? Crayfish?
The koi pond.
Crayfish? There's a crayfish down below. I see
Okay.
crab.
Get some liver and a string. Fuck out of here. One thing I hate about these fucking places is that I'm always feeling my pockets to see if I don't lose my key or some other bullshit. Here's the beautiful entrance to this place. See? Absolutely beautiful entry. It's curb appeal. It's curb appeal. The reason my voice sounds like that is because it was so loud on this beach yesterday with huge boom boxes doing karaoke. I can't even talk. I had to scream every time I wanted to have a conversation with someone on a beach. Believe that. Drop this down low. See what the beach looks like real quick. That's where we were yesterday over there. But anyways, that's what that looks like. And by the way, this is the room. Okay, this is the room. This is it. So, it was so loud in here last night, it was ridiculous. So, okay. We never had a honeymoon, so this is the honeymoon room I got us. Yeah, I'll drive it down this shitty road. Here's another shot from another angle. There's the ice cream man. Ice cream man, see, ice cream man. There's Brian. There's that dude. Huh? Yes, I'm by myself. They're wondering if this is ever gonna start. Well, fuck them. They don't know shit. It is. We got the Bangoose going now. It's looking good. And they're doing some karaoke. You know, and the drunker you get, the more you forget about the fucking shit like this. Now what is this? Now see, she has new things on there. It looks like onions. What is this? Pork?
We call it pork for our pancit.
Ah, you make it pancit canton.
Yes. We don't have.
These are tuna.
Oh yeah.
Tuna. And this is, what is this again? Potatoes.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, they're getting there. Wow, that's cool.
Cheers.
Yes, cheers. My beer is later. What is this?
Lempo.
Lempo. Pork belly. Ah, straight from the palenque of Macabacabling.
Yes.
Marinated in adobo. Oh, yes. There's some squatters. Some squatters over there. Those are squatters. They just fucking came in here. Fucking squatters. Oh, I didn't know there were outside showers. Who's the fucker that blocked me and that I can't get out of here? Garbage dump. Shit dump. That's nice. Beautiful. Shit they don't show you on a brochure. Okay, wow, this is very nice. This is nice. This one here is very nice too. That's nice. I don't know, he's not done. This is unique. This is very unique. Right now you're sitting for a win. Ulysses, he's just thinking of his girlfriend. This is the back of the resort. It's so beautiful. It really is. Yeah. Doesn't bother anybody. Hey, a turkey! Yeah, this is nice. The garbage dump. What would be a vacation without loose dogs, eh?
Yeah, sure.
Ecological fee. Wow. That's nice. Must be private. Yesterday they cut the tree down. You see that? Fucking idiot.